Welcome to World Famous Foods again with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing our curry chicken recipe. World famous, of course. So, this will be comprised of chicken, of course. Curry powder. If you notice it says hot madras. This is our world famous. Habaneros, carrots, garlic. You're gonna put some potatoes in there, some onions, chicken stock, garlic powder, black pepper, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, some thyme, some oregano, sea salt, and vegetable oil. And of course, the chicken has been washed and ready to be seasoned. So the chicken is seasoned. We're gonna let this sit for about 2 hours. All right, here we go. So now we got the oil in there with some curry. We're gonna drop the chicken in here. Get the good old flavor on there.
Sealing the chicken with some spice, huh?
Oh yeah. All right, so now we got the chicken going here. We just added some carrots and some potatoes. Mix this up here. Of course, we had to put some habaneros in there, world famous. Look at that.
You put some broth in there too, it looks like?
Yep, got a chicken broth in there. Bay leaves right there. Oh yeah.
Of course, this is world famous with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.
Okay, so here we go with world famous curry chicken. It's good. Yeah, the curry comes through nicely. Good spice level. Good flavor. Oh yeah. You guys done good.
World famous.